Today we are going to look at EaseUS Disk Copy. It's a user-friendly disk cloning software for Windows, designed for OS migration, drive upgrades and backups. It can also help you upgrade or migrate to Windows 11, even if your system is not officially compatible. So let's have a look at what it can do. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug another disk in. I've got this brand new solid state disk in this computer here at the moment. I've got the old traditional hard disk drive, which is very, very slow. So I'm going to plug in a solid state hard drive. Now I've got one of these adapters, USB to SATA adapter. And as you can see, I've just plugged it in, and now EaseUS Disk Copy is just having a look at the structure of the disk, checking it all out. Now, the good thing about EaseUS Disk Copy is it's simple. It's simplicity. That's what I like about it. So I've gone into disk mode. So this is just going to copy one disk to the other. So I click on select source disk, select my source disk, which is that one there, disk 0, and it's got their MBR master boot record, which tells me that is the disk. I can also double check that by looking at the drive letter C. C is my Windows drive, so there you go, I select that. Then all I do is select the target disk, the disk I want to copy to, which is this one here. And as you can see here, it's got the little USB sign there, so that tells me that is the disk that I've plugged in via my USB to SATA cable. So I can select that as the target, hit select, and then click next, and it gives you a little preview of the partition. Now, my disk that I'm replacing it with is the same size disk, but it's just a much faster disk. Now, one thing I do like about this program is the fact if I had a different size disk, it would automatically realign the size of it. It would expand it to make the best use out of my main drive, or it would reduce it if I had a smaller, faster solid state drive, but it would leave all the system and hidden partitions alone, which that is a bugbear of some of the other disk copying programs or imaging programs. It sometimes does make a little bit of a mess of the hard drive alignments or the partition alignments. So I'm going to click proceed to carry on. And as you can see here, it gives me a warning. The data on the target disk will be erased. Please ensure you've selected the correct target disk. Click continue to start. Well, like I say, I know I've selected the right target disk because I could see that had the little USB logo on it. So click continue, and there you go. It's away, it's copying. Okay, so it's now completed cloning the drive, and it's asking me, do I want to boot the system from the USB drive? So if I said yes here, it would boot from the USB drive, but not the internal drive. So I could just check it out to make sure that it all works okay. But now it's finished cloning, what I can do is I can shut down the system, take out the old disk and put the new disk in, and then boot up. Now let's have a look at some of the other options here. You've got system mode. This will just copy across the Windows partition and any other hidden partitions that might be needed, like the boot partition, to get the system working. If you've got a D drive, say for instance, on your system, then it won't copy across the D drive. It'll only copy across, say, the C drive, the Windows drive. Partition mode, that is if you want to just clone a partition. If you don't know much about partitions, then I'd say leave this mode alone. This option looks quite intriguing. Migrate to Windows 11. We will install a fresh Windows 11 on a new disk and migrate your data, applications and settings to the new system. With our migration tool, you can bypass hardware restrictions during the Windows 11 upgrade. So basically, if your system says it's not compatible with Windows 11, this should make it compatible. And on here you've got, if you go in here, all you do is you just select the new fresh disk that you want to install Windows 11 on, and it migrates all your stuff across. So there you go, there's my USB disk there. I select that, and then I can also select the target operating system. Now what it does is it does its best to match the system that you've got, the one that you've actually got a license to upgrade from. So I've got Windows 10 Home Edition 64-bit, so there you go, it's automatically put in there Windows 11 Home 64-bit because it knows that my Windows 10 license will upgrade to that. Now you can change that, you can go to select, but obviously if you do change that you might have to buy another license. For instance, if you change from the Home Edition to the Pro Edition, you're going to have to pay for a license to upgrade it once it's installed. So it's best to stick with the same edition that you've already got installed on your system. You've also here got the option to create an emergency disk, a disk that you can boot into, whether it be a USB drive that you can plug into the system to boot from, a CD or a DVD drive, or an ISO file that you can put on another system somewhere to create a disk if you needed to at a later date. And that, like I say, enables you to get into a cut down version of Windows or Linux to enable you to clone your data safely. You've also got their network clone, so if you run a company and you want to clone a disk or an operating system from one computer to multiple computers over the local network, then you can do that too. So there you go, that's Asus Disk Copy Pro. If you are interested, you can go to the link in the description down below and get yourself a copy at a great price.